Hey everyone, my name is Samuel, and today in Sunroom we'll be introducing a multifunctional attachment. This series of attachments will be used in the 2020 FLL City Shaper thing to be set as an example. In the FLL 2020 City Shaper, we can use this attachment at the middle attachment center, and it's just a little thin piece connected to a long curved beam, which allows us to scoop things. And this is just the attachment introduction. And here's our introduction. We wanted to flip this up and allow our robot to push it up fully. As you can see, we needed this to be used on the side, just in the direction our robot needed to be. Thank you for watching, and make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. These are my favorite chips.